Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today I'll be showing you how to make a simple table number using Canva. Canva is a free program. I personally am on the Canva paid version. It has a lot of perks and benefits to it. The clip art that I'm using in this video is from Just PSD. I have found them on Etsy. They have a lot of great clip art in their shop, so check them out. So now we can get started. The size of my table number will be about 5 by 7 inches, but feel free to select any size of your choice. I have already uploaded the clip art I would like to use. Then we can add in the text. Then we'll need to decide on a font. Canva has categories at the top to help you narrow down your font search. I'm going to go with this one. And next we'll do the same for the number. So Canva has another great feature of when you add in your clip art, it will automatically pull the photo colors out for you, making it easier for you to design your artwork. I'm just going to adjust the number a little more until I'm satisfied. So that was it for that table number. I'm just going to show you two other ways that you can design the table number using the same clip art. So after you finish your design, you can then start duplicating your pages. And all you will have to do is just change the number on the sign. See, when you're done with all your numbers, you can save it. And I suggest PDF print for your file type. It gives you the option to add crop marks. If you're printing the table numbers at home, then I would suggest adding crop marks, but if you're sending them off to be printed at a business, more than likely they won't ask for crop marks. And this is how the table numbers turned out. And that's it for today's video. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe to be a part of my growing crafting family. And I hope you have a wonderful day.